Wilma Flintstone's clunky rock necklace is one of those iconic signature pieces of cartoon clothing, right up there with Charlie Brown's zigzag shirt and Mickey Mouse's red shorts. A few things you may not know about Wilma. First, her maiden name changed during the course of her run on TV. It started out as Pebble, and then, at some point, it changed to Slaghoople. Some believe the change happened to avoid confusion after her daughter was born, whose name, of course, is Pebbles. Second, fans of the Flintstones have noted that although baby Pebbles grows to adulthood and has twins herself, Wilma looks exactly the same at that point as she does in the first season. In other words, she never ages. Some have speculated she was privy to some secret Stone Age anti-aging cream containing Brontosaurus extract. And finally, in early episodes, Fred and Wilma are seen sleeping in separate twin beds in the same room. Then, without fanfare, in later seasons, the couple is shown sleeping in the same bed, giving them the distinction of being the first animated couple ever shown sleeping in the same bed. Yabba dabba doo. Follow me here and go to my YouTube channel, Level Up Cartooning, for a full video on how to draw Wilma Flintstone and Jane Jetson, as well as hundreds of other lessons.